Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that a lot of people, in my opinion, need. A lot of people are afraid to put a step forward and change something. So we know we're going through a recession right now. This is no secret. It's going to last probably for 2 years. This is the talk. I don't know if it's true. I hope it's not true, but you should always be prepared for the worst because if you're prepared for the worst and the best happens, you're winning. So it doesn't matter. So, in my opinion, everybody needs to have a side hustle, whether you are making enough money right now or not, because times might be even harder coming forward. So, the best side hustle, I think it is to start a YouTube channel, of course, because you just need to post one video per week. You need to talk about the topic you really enjoy, and everybody enjoys something and is pretty knowledgeable about something. Don't tell me you're not, because this is not true. So you just need to be able to talk about something you enjoy and something that can help someone somehow. Very simple. You know a lot about workouts, like how to gain muscles or how to eat clean, meal prep, real fast, for example. That's really helpful, and especially summer is coming up, so everybody is trying to get into shape. So let's say you're knowledgeable about that. How about starting a YouTube channel and telling people how you do it? How do you prep your meals to have clean meals and not have to like buy your food by takeouts, for example? Or how do you eat clean when you have to buy takeouts, for example? A lot of people will be interested into that topic. So YouTube would be a perfect way to start a side hustle. You just need to post one video per week. Don't do it more than that. It's going to burn you out and it's not going to help you more. Yes, it will just help you to get better to create your videos, but it's not going to help you to gain more views necessarily. I tried it for 30 days. I posted every single day, and I guarantee you it didn't make a difference at all. I mean, I didn't see a difference. It just burned me out. But I did do it because unless you test it, you don't know. Maybe for you it's going to work, but for me it didn't. And I'm a small channel. So YouTube channel would be a great way for someone who doesn't have a lot of time but really wants to start something on the side. So try that out if you're not afraid about speaking in front of a camera. And you know what? Like, English is not my first language, as you can hear, and I'm still doing it. So there's no excuse. You'll get better and better and better. And even if you don't get better, who cares? Who cares, really? Like, it doesn't matter. It is it is what it is. You are who you are, and that's it. That doesn't change the fact that you know stuff, you know something, you're good at something and you can help someone. So don't be scared of that whatsoever. So this is a good way to go through recession, in my opinion. Starting a YouTube channel will help you. Even if it doesn't take off today, it's gonna take off sometime in the future. Could be in a month, could be in 2 months, three, a year. It doesn't matter. When it takes off, it takes off. That's it. You know the ball is rolling and the momentum is picking up, and you're never going to go back down. It's like real estate. The value will go up over time. YouTube is great for that. What you can do as well is starting an Instagram page or a TikTok page, and same thing, you just need to talk about something you can help someone with, and find an affiliate product or service that you enjoy and you know about, and promote that product. Again, it might not take off today, but I promise you, over time, you can make that extra $50 a day, $100 a day, whatever you need to go through a recession. Like, because we're going through a recession and we don't know how bad it's going to get. Even if you have a job, it doesn't matter, because what would it change for you to earn an extra $50 a day? Just that, an extra $50 a day. Would that help you? Probably. Don't tell me it's not. So you should aim for little. So, because if we have high expectations from the get go, and if you don't hit that target that you put in your head, you want to give up. So don't do that. Put a little target, a small target that's very easily reachable. Because once you reach that, then you'll be like, okay, that's easy. That's pretty easy. I'm gonna aim for a little bit more next month, and then grow from there. Very, very easy to do. What you can do as well is trading. Some people are trading crypto, the futures market, forex. I do not like forex at all. Crypto, I would hold crypto, but I do not trade crypto. I don't know anything about it. I mean, trading and the trading side of it, I don't know anything about it, so I wouldn't take the time and the risk to do it. I trade the futures markets. It's very doable, very, very easy to make $50 a day. I aim for more, so I'm taking a little bit more risks and I'm losing more because I'm taking more risks. But if I'm aiming for $50 a day, very reachable. It's very easy, and you don't need to spend hours doing that. You can literally make that in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It doesn't like 5, 10 minutes or less if you're good. You know what I mean? So very, very doable. If you aim for a target and you reach it every single day, you hit that target. That's it. That's all you need. And then you aim for a little bit more the month after or the week after, whatever you're comfortable with. But what I'm saying is that if you earn that extra every day, will that help you? Because if it does help you, what is stopping you? Like, don't tell me it's time, because putting like an extra half an hour to 1 hour per day to make an extra 50 to 100 when you start, and maybe more later on, isn't that worth it? And what if you can, I'm not saying you need to replace your job, because a lot of people love their jobs and we don't want to replace our jobs, because we like our coworkers, we like the work, we like the benefits that we're getting with our jobs, we like the fact that every day we're waking up to do something, whatever it is. And a lot of people like their jobs and they don't want to replace their jobs, they just want to have more money. So if they could earn more money staying at their jobs, they would be happy. But again, you're not in control of that. You cannot force your boss to raise your wage or your salary. You can't do that, right? You're not in control of that. So the only way to do it is to have something of your own where you can control your income. So, in my opinion, if you start a YouTube channel, that's an easy one. If you start playing with affiliate marketing, that's a great one, because you don't need anything to start. If you have any questions about that, let me know, comment below. I'll be happy to help. If you want to start getting into digital marketing, you can check the link below this video, and it's going to show you a little bit about, I mean, it's going to show you a lot about digital marketing. So check it out and see if that would be something that suits you. And if you have any questions about trading, you can ask me. I'm just aiming for a little bit every day to boost my income, because I am still working my 9 to 5, which I like. I like my 9 to 5. Of course, you want more time and freedom, but for now, I'm grateful that I do have a job that I enjoy. So if you want to make the extra money, go for it. Start that side hustle. Nothing is stopping you. Uh, Telling yourself you don't have time is a big lie. Don't fall for that lie. Just go for it. It won't take more time than what you can imagine. Hope that was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be here posting a video every week, 1 or 2 videos about side hustles, starting that small online business, making a little bit extra every day, every week to help you out, because Times are getting harder. Everything is more expensive, and we need to go through that. And it's possible. That's it. See you guys.